What's up guys, let's go straight to the point. I'll show you an airdrop where you could access it through CoinGecko by just collecting their candies and then getting the tokens. I'm not a professional advisor, but let me go ahead and walk you through it step by step. Let's go. Alright, so this is CoinGecko, and then you just go ahead and log in guys with your account, or if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and simply register. It's very straightforward. Once you are logged in, you just have to click on this small candy jar or some sort of. This is not paired, okay? Because some people thought that this is the logo of the portfolio, so it's different. Click on the candy right there, and then once you click on the candy, it will let you know collect candies every day. Log into CoinGecko on web or mobile. Then day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 until day 7, and then you can go ahead and collect them again after 7 days. So let's collect that for today, and we got 10 candies already. You don't lose anything if you collect candies. You just have to log in, click on that, and then if you don't want to check on anything else, you can just go ahead and log out. But here's the thing, you can go to the rewards, and then once you go to the rewards, this is actually the airdrop that I was talking about. So you can get from 250 ACS until 5,000 ACS. Now this one right here is for a limited time, but again, you know, go ahead and check out the rewards, their rewards area for any like airdrops or anything like that. If you don't like the airdrop, you could also go ahead and check out a lot of different stuff that you could redeem, like this one, how to Bitcoin book, like 10% off SafePal products, right? So those type of things, you can go ahead and collect them using your candies. So this is for the Access Protocol airdrop. You have 250 ACS for 800 candies. You have like 11,000 candies, you could go ahead and collect 5,000 ACS. So I will put the link to this reward section in the description of the video. That way it's gonna be easier for you to get into the rewards. And again guys, go ahead and register in CoinGecko first. That way you could collect your candies. All right, let's go ahead and check out what that Access Protocol airdrop is for a sec here. So ACS airdrop announcement, so that's the one for that. How to join the ACS airdrop. ACS token will be given to the end users. Verify accessprotocol.co users. ACS tokens will be given to any users that verifies at accessprotocol.co. So users will be airdropped 20,000 ACS tokens to stake in a creator pool of your choice. So ACS tokens will be distributed through our sign up and referral process. You can go ahead and check them out here as well. All right, and this is their coin market cap. So A crypto S, so ACS right there. The price is at 0.4812. Hopefully next year would be a better year for crypto and other stock market and all those good stuff. Do check out our channel. We have a lot of different contents there that would definitely be of interest to you if you're into the crypto market. Okay, and then this is the accessprotocol.co. So Access Protocol offers a new model monetization layer for all digital content creators. By integrating Access Protocol on their site, creators can paywall and enable premium content to ACS stakers. So you can enter your email here, and then creators joining Access, you have the Block, CoinGecko, Crypto Briefing, Crypto Slate, and a lot of others as well. So this is their Twitter account, guys. I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check them out and follow them. That way you'll always be notified when they like have other airdrops, you have free stuff, giveaways, and all those good stuff. Go ahead and follow their Twitter account and the rest of their social media platform. Let's go ahead and check out their white paper real quick. Access Protocol revitalizes digital content monetization. So Access Protocol's proposed model allows users to stake to a creator once and maintain access to that creator's content until the user unstakes, rather than face a recurring credit card charge for other like social media platforms. In practice, a user gets ACS tokens and stakes them at whichever creator they'd like to access. Access Protocol introduces a fungible token, which is the ACS, that can be utilized across participating creators, which enables users to have a more consistent experience rather than working through multiple different credit card payment flows. So you have the consumers purchase ACS tokens and then stakes access tokens with desired creators. So you have the news, you have the blog, social media posts, podcast data, streaming, and events. So each creator receives ACS tokens proportional to the amount of staked ACS within their pool relative to the number of stake tokens staked across the ecosystem. So this is basically what Access Protocol is doing. So it's actually very, very interesting right now for other content creators that has like subscriptions and all those stuff. If you are a subscriber or a follower of that content creator, you have to pay like a certain amount every month for you to access stuff like behind the scenes and all those good stuff that other viewers or other subscribers or followers will not be able to view. So as for this one, they're doing the same exact concept, except that you don't have to pay every month. You just have to stake the ACS tokens for you to have access to that certain creator. So that is basically what they are trying to implement. All right, so let's head on to the FAQs real quick. Let's check out what other stuff we can get out of this one. How do creators work with Access Protocol? So they integrate protocol staking interface onto your website, hosting their content in the Access Content Hub. So what is ACS? How do creators monetize with Access? Creators can launch their own pools, giving users the ability to stake ACS in exchange for premium content or to simply support a creator. Let me go ahead and check that one out as well. Are there any fees? There is a 2% staking fee paid by the user. All staking fees are burned each month. That is one of the burning mechanisms that they have. What blockchain is Access Protocol built on? Access Protocol is a blockchain agnostic ecosystem. Initially, Access Protocol will launch on Solana and Starknet. So what can I acquire with ACS? Currently, you can only acquire access through the ACS airdrop through receiving a unique referral link. So hint is to join their Discord to potentially find one of these links. So again, go ahead and join their social media platforms like their Twitter. They have Discord. Check out their website as well. If there's anything new or any announcements that they did, that will always be notified when they get like giveaways or airdrops or anything and everything that talks about update on the project. And then lastly, how is the 8cryptos network secured? So there are different type of securities that they implemented, one of which is the multiple audits by Certic, Hacken, and Def Yield. They also have bug bounty program. They have time lock plus time lock monitoring, community bot to monitor changes. And then the source codes are verified and published on the BSC scan. So those are basically the types of security that they have. ACS is also a native utility token that is used for receiving profit share. You can also get 2.5x yield boost in all of the ACS related farms, and you will have voting rights because that is their governance token. So that is the one that they have. And if you're also wondering, you know, how many how many ACS tokens are there? So ACS is a BEP 20 token, has a maximum supply of 1,888,888. Wow, that 8 is a lucky number after the initial emission, and this supply is subject to an 18.65% decrease every 90 days. So ACS can be staked in the ACS vault, earn aggregated results from the fees, ACS farms, and rewards. So again, guys, do your own research. Go ahead and check them out. See for yourself on what are the potential of this project, and let us know in the comments on what you think. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you click that like, that subscribe, and click the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.